Inherited an architectural drawing in DC8 format from a legacy DataCAD project? This is a DataCAD version 8 drawing file. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open these DataCAD drawing files. Before we wrap up, I want to emphasize our final step.
We will showcase how a single robust DC8 file inspection utility offers maximum efficiency by solving hundreds of file type issues.
DC8 files are architectural drawing files created by DataCAD version 8, a CAD software designed specifically for architectural design. They store 2D and 3D architectural drawings, including walls, doors, windows, symbols, dimensions, layers, and architectural detailing for building design and construction documentation. DC8 drawing files use a DataCAD-defined format, storing architectural geometry with specialized building elements, layer organization symbol references, dimension settings, and drawing scales. The format includes architectural-specific features like wall types and door symbols, beyond general-purpose KeyID capabilities. The DC8 format operates under the official standards set by DataCAD from DataCAD LLC. The embedded data needs a specialized parser to be read correctly. Windows won't display parametric or assembly data, so full access depends on dedicated modeling tools. Let's address the application conflict directly. Right-click your DC8 file and choose Open With. Check for DataCAD and test it first. If it's unavailable, choose a different app. That is the simplest path to a solution. When your DC8 file does not open, it is usually a small issue. The primary software didn't cooperate. That's fine. We pivot. I need you to execute these 3 focused steps to pinpoint the exact DC8 error. First, opening in DataCAD. Install DataCAD architectural CAD software and use File then Open to load the DC8 file. The application displays the architectural drawing in its design environment with all building elements, layers, and dimensions. Edit the drawing using DataCAD's specialized architectural tools and detailing features. Next, converting to DWG or DXF. Within DataCAD, use File then Export or Save. As to convert DC8 drawings to AutoCAD, DWG, or DXF formats. These widely supported CAD formats open in AutoCAD, Revit, and most modern CAD applications, enabling collaboration with users on different CAD platforms while preserving the drawing geometry. Finally, updating to newer DataCAD. If using a newer DataCAD version, use the application's file conversion tools to update DC8 drawings to the current DataCAD format. This conversion ensures compatibility with newer features and ongoing project work within the current DataCAD environment. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.